So this is 2 4-mark questions on a foundation paper. It is from 2024 paper 1. These are quite juicy marks, so I'm going to really break it down for you because I know you struggle with this. So Ryan buys 4 cakes at £1.30 each, 2 identical tins of soup. So he's got 4 cakes at £1.30. So I'm going to write it like this because we're going to do algebra. So that means, as you know, 4 times, yeah, with the brackets, each. And he has 2 identical tins of soup. Plus 2x. Because we don't know how much they are, do we? Ryan pays with a £10 note. He gets £1.80 to change. How much does Ryan pay for each tin of soup? So it's each tin of soup. So what I'm going to do now, so this is our 4 cakes at £1.30 plus 2 lots of identical tins that we don't know how much they are. So X is our unknown. And then we have £10 because it's paying with £10. Subtract £1.80 leaves us with £8.20. So we're going to multiply this, and this comes to 5.20. Plus add unknown, add 2 tins that we don't know what they are, equals 8.20. Same as usual, take that over, so we change its sign. £8.20, subtract £5.20, equals 3. And now we need to divide by 2, which we can't do. So it's going to be 3 all over 2. Now, if we're going to convert 3 over 2 into money, well, it's £1.50. So that's the answer, £1.50. Because 2 since 3 goes once, and then there's 1 left. That's half of that. So that's £1.50. You could have done at the beginning, let me change the colour. You could have gone, I don't know, here, instead of doing it like I've done it, you could have gone 4 tins times £1.30 equals £5.20. So you could have done that first, and then you could have put it into the equation, £5.20 plus 2 lots of unknown tins. And then you would have done the same, 10 minus £1.80 is £8.20. So you would have done the same thing, but I put mine in brackets, whereas you could just work it out straight away. And then this one here is super easy. For 4 marks, it's amazing. So the table shows the number of hours that Lena and Pavel worked on each of the 4 days last week. On the grid, draw a suitable diagram or chart for this information. So the first thing you've got to remember, you've got to have a key. Our key is just telling us what's what. Hours, which is how many hours they worked. And the days, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then Lena does 6 hours on Wednesday. Look at my key. Lena is red. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pavel is blue. She did 7 on Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so on and so forth. Thursday, Lena, red, 9. Thursday, blue, Pavel, 6, and so on. So the key part of information is write down your labels. These are your days. And these are the hours. The reason I've gone up to 10 is because the highest number is 9. You could have gone up higher. It's just for me to keep this all on one slide, I've made it shorter. So your label, make sure you key so you can connect it to the right thing, person, anything. What else is there? No, I think that's about it. Yeah. Hours, days of the week, the days, and the key. Okay? Good luck.